In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track inventory on Shopify. Let's start right from your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Products. This will open up a list of all the items in your store. Take a moment to find the specific product you want to manage. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top if you have a lot of products. When you found the right one, click on it to open the product editor. Inside the product editor page, scroll down until you see the inventory section, often shown as an inventory card. If your product has variants, such as different sizes or colors, you won't see a single inventory card for the whole product. Instead, you'll see a variant section. In that case, select the specific variant you want to manage, and this will open the variant editor, where you'll find its own inventory card. On that inventory card, look to the top right and make sure that inventory tracking is enabled. This is usually shown as a checkbox or toggle that says something like track quantity. If this isn't turned on, Shopify won't automatically keep track of how many units you have left, so it's crucial that this is enabled before you move on. Next, on the same inventory card, you'll see a table for locations and stock. This is where you tell Shopify which locations actually hold inventory for this product or variant. Click on the small pencil icon next to the location field. A pop-up window will appear with a list of your available locations, such as your warehouse or retail store. Select the location or locations where this item is stored. When you're done choosing, click Save at the bottom right of that pop-up to confirm your changes. Now it's time to set your stock levels. In the inventory area, you'll see fields for quantities such as unavailable, committed, available, and on hand. Enter the correct numbers for each field so that Shopify can accurately reflect what you have. This keeps your online store in sync with your real-world stock. If you want to allow customers to place orders even when the item is technically out of stock, you can enable the option to sell when out of stock to allow back orders. Finally, once all your settings and quantities look correct, don't forget to click the Save button at the top of the page near the search bar. This ensures all your changes are applied and your inventory tracking on Shopify is fully set up.